ever feel confused? What was it like to be Joseph, the man who raised the Son of Man? Consider how the amused, bitter accused of hypocrite, misfit, mischief. Got faith to lose. What was it like to be Joseph, the man who raised the Son of Man? Sanity of sudden chasity, vanity versus the gravity. Imagine the angel audible. What was it like to be Joseph, the man who raised the Son of Man? Hearing the remarkable, improbable, fearing the phenomenal, possible.
No man had ever heard such news before. His fiancée bearing a child of the Lord. His world turned sideways overnight, but Joseph chose to walk by faith, not sight.
He guarded God's promise, he led to stand, a carpenter entrusted with the Maker's plan.
What was it like to be Joseph, to obey such strange command, to not conceive as Mary's husband, then believe she bore the Son of Man? What was it like to be Joseph,
The man who raised and praised the Son of Man. Warnings and whispers, he stayed the course, packed the mule and fled by angels' force, through deserts, danger, and sleepless land. The man who raised, then praised the Son of Man.
from Bethlehem's barn to Egypt's sand? He followed light-heart to understand a simple man in a sovereign plan.
Who built the cradle for the great I am?
What was it like to be Joseph, to obey such strange command, to not conceive as Mary's husband, then believe she bore the Son of Man? What was it like to be Joseph, the man who raised and praised the Son of Man? What was it like to be Joseph,
The man who raised and praised the Son of